Hey, it's chicken Alfredo. Doesn't that look delicious? And cooked in the Instant Pot today. Whoa, look at those chicken breasts. Mmm. And some spinach in there too. That's me. I'm Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Digging in, enjoying the chicken Alfredo we just made. It's absolutely amazing. Sit next to my new cutting board I'm madly in love with. And we're starting things off with 3 chicken breasts, about medium size. Make sure that they cook just in time for our pasta too. And we're going to do salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder. I used dehydrated onion because I was out of onion powder. And some Italian seasoning. We're going to flip them over and do the exact same thing. We're going to hit saute on the Instant Pot, get it nice and hot, and add some oil. And we're going to put those chicken breasts in there, and we'll saute them 2 or 3 minutes on each side. You can see I use plastic wrap on my countertop and roll it right up and throw it away. And then we're going to flip them over after 2 or 3 minutes, like 3 minutes, get it nice and crispy. And now we have a crusty pot bottom. We'll add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. I added 2 cups. It was a little too much. It got kind of splashy, but it'll help you scrape the bottom of the pot clean. Then we'll add the rest of our chicken broth, a total of 4 cups, and 1.5 cups of cream, which I recommend cream over whole milk or 2% milk. It tastes much better, but it still tastes pretty good if you go with the milk route. I'm going to season up that with some salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and some Italian seasoning. Add our linguine, hit saute, get the sauce a little hot, makes the pasta a little squishy so you can squish it in underneath the fluid level when you put the chicken in. And we'll hit cancel on that saute, let it, seal it, pressure cook for 8 minutes. And now it's time to shred some Parmesan cheese, about 1 cup's worth, and we're going to also shred about a 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese for the toppings. We'll kick it after 8 minutes, get the pressure out, open the lid. Oh, there you go. Taking out our chicken breasts. I'm going to put those on the plates, let them sit on a plate, cool. And now we have a saucy sauce, so we'll add some cornstarch. We'll mix that in real good. Add our spinach. Now spinach I think is a little earthy flavored all by itself, so we're going to add some salt and pepper. Make sure we season whatever we add to our food. We'll mix it in very well with our pasta and sauce. And now it's Parmesan time. And mix that in with really well. Don't hit saute, it'll burn onto the pot. And we'll just mix it up real good and put a nice healthy helping onto our plates. And on top of that, we're going to put our mozzarella that we just shredded with a couple of handfuls of cherry and grape tomatoes with a chicken breast sliced thin. And a lot of times we'll take that chicken and we'll chop it up small, and then we'll add it back into our pot and mix it up so that sauce gets all over our chicken too. It all depends on how I'm feeling, but it sure does look pretty this way, doesn't it? Oh yeah. There, now it's time to eat it up. Oh, that sure does look good. All right, way to go. Okay, everybody, so you can make this recipe on a busy night. It's a quick and easy recipe, but it does take some of your time. You got to be there to watch it, make sure the spinach goes in the right time and all the seasoning. You got to brown the chicken, so it's a little bit more labor intensive, but it definitely is an easier recipe. Do us a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell, and then we'll notify you whenever we get a new video out there for you. And if you do want this recipe, go to this video's description. There is a link in there that'll take you to our website with our recipe on that website. All right, you guys, thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you guys, and we will see you soon.
What?